The 2009 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, four-wheel drive, heated seats, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, trip computer, bed liner, power windows, power door locks, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.